My name is Andrew Goodsell. I'm the Global IT Supply Chain Manager at Rentokil Initial. Rentokil Initial is a multi-billion-dollar company. You probably know us best in the UK as the leading pest controller. We're also very strong in Europe with hygiene and workwear products, and throughout the rest of the world with pest and hygiene. We're now listed on the FTSE 100. Our share price when I joined about 4 years ago was around about 90 pence. It's now running at around £3.30, so you can see the confidence that the financial market has in Rentokil Initial as a business. I manage the supply chain IT systems. That covers our ERP system and our forecasting system, along with a number of ancillary systems. But Epicor ERP is really at the heart of everything that we do around the supply chain business. So you get a single view of the customer, a single view of suppliers, a single view of your parts and orders, etc. We use a lot of the features in Epicor, so we use sales and purchase, ordering, manufacturing, and they're able to capture real-time data when they're actually on the manufacturing process lines, accurate costings, and so they can now find out how much products actually cost to make. In fact, the corporate standard for financials is another package, but the supply chain decided to use Epicor because they felt it had a much stronger financial, certainly in the areas of general ledgers. One of the major challenges of a supply chain business is measuring OTIF, on time in full. So this OTIF measure is very important to our supply chain, and we can track that in Epicor through the use of dashboards and the data that's stored in Epicor. The OTIF measure for our suppliers is also very important because that has a direct impact on our customers. Some of our suppliers are based even as far afield as Asia, so we can actually measure their OTIF performance and basically then be able to have business conversations with them if they don't meet what they say they're going to deliver. Epicor has a very powerful workflow tool called Service Connect. We've developed over 30 interfaces, integrating with third-party warehouse systems in France, Germany, Belgium, Holland, which all interface through Epicor Service Connect. The ERP system, I believe, is very easy to use, and we have people joining the business, and within a couple of days they can use the Epicor system without going on any formal training courses. In Epicor, we're seeing an increased volume of data, an increased need to be able to access that data, analyse it, and create informed decisions around that data. The system tends to look after itself. We have virtually no downtime on it, so we can really focus on the value add stuff and give the business what they need. Mobile is now a very strong theme, and we're seeing a lot of requirements to support mobile devices throughout the business. We are increasingly looking at cloud opportunities, and we're looking at moving our supply chain systems into the cloud in the future. Rentokil Initial is looking at acquiring a lot of businesses in Europe, and so integrating with them is going to be key, and I'm confident that the systems that we've got in place, that will be a fairly straightforward process without having to sort of re-engineer everything. Without Epicor, there's no way that we could have supported the business. They have a voracious appetite for new and better things, and we've been able to provide that with Epicor. Epicor's a very open architecture. We're able to make modifications to the screens, the reports, the dashboards within the system, and also with interfacing with third parties. There's absolutely no way that we could have done it without a system like Epicor.